In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Vinted. So to do this, go and open up the Vinted app and then click on Profile in the bottom right. Now first you need to go and add your payment method that you want to use to withdraw money. To do this, scroll down until you see Settings and then from here click Payments. And then under Withdrawal Options you can see Add Bank Account. So simply enter your bank account right here and just write your details and click Done in the top right. After doing that, go back to your profile and here you can see your balance. So click Balance. And now here, if you have connected your bank account, you can then click Withdraw to Bank Account right here. So after you click Withdraw to Bank Account, it will be on its way to your bank account and it could take a couple of days to show up. But if you follow these steps, then you will have withdrawn money from Vinted. So now you know how to withdraw money from Vinted. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.